Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today is the Brewed Beauties collab, and I don't know why my camera's shaking. It could be my cat, sorry about that. And the theme is Native American Heritage Month. Look. Okay, so Char from Char's Fashion Nation asked us if we would do a Native American Heritage Month since she's Native American or part Native American. So the colors are red, blue, black, yellow, and white. Let me grab my cremated palette. I'm using all Jeffree Star palettes today. I'm going to be using the cremated, blue blood, blood sugar, banana fetish, and the white I'm going to bring in with the eyeliner. All right, so I figured I would look up some of the Native Americans that lived in the area that I currently live in. So they were the Monongahela culture, which is an Iroquois Native American culture manifestation of late woodland peoples from 1050 to 1635 AD. And they would have been located in present day Western Pennsylvania, Western Maryland, Eastern Ohio, and West Virginia. The Monongahela practiced maize, Maize, I think I'm pronouncing that right, culture and lived in well laid out villages, some of which consisted of 50 to 100 structures. I'm starting with banana fetish, by the way. I'm not going to do any sparkle. I think I'm going to keep it pretty matte, a matte look. Okay. They traded with other groups of natives who in turn traded with Europeans. Many scholars think this is because of the spread of European infectious disease, plus being killed or assimilated into either the Iroquois or Lenape tribes during warfare, as the more powerful tribes competed to control the area they lived in for hunting grounds for fur trade, which was very lucrative for the Native Americans in the beginning. So, between European diseases, which airborne, I'm sure, smallpox, all that, and their own fighting amongst each other for, control of the hunting lands seems to be what happened with the Monongahela. I hope I'm not butchering that. Native Americans. I'm going to go in with cream pie first. Inner corner. I want to see how bright this yellow is first. I tried to look it up, and I was going to do the meanings of the colors, but every tribe is different, like the colors, and actually not all tribes recognize blue. Some of the tribes, it's red, black, yellow, and white. Other tribes, it's red, black, blue, yellow, and white. And there's also a few tribes that I've seen green listed. So I just went with the colors that Char gave us. So there I got yellow in corner, and that's cream pie from Banana Fetish. I did my normal Simply Ageless foundation, Elf blush, and Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, which I'm still up in the air on that. Works. There's nothing wrong with the way it works. It works just like any other eye primer. It's just a little more costly. All right, so Banana Fetish does have a blue, and I did look up blue. In some, like it represents the sky. In some, it's more of a deeper dark blue. So I'm really not sure where to go with this. So I did bring out Blue Blood to check out the different blues. I could go with Blue Blood or Bulge. I'm not sure. Let me try Bulge first. And that's from Banana Fetish. And we'll see how that goes. And I'm just going to do it, tap it straight in. And if I think that that's too light, then I'll go over it with Blue Blood. And I'm not going to be blending this as much. I'm going to be, yeah, see, it needs to be a little darker. I want it to be a little more defined. All right, I'm going to go in with Blue Blood. It says also there were severe droughts from 1587 to 1589 and 1607 to 1612, which also drove the remaining Monongahela to more habitable land. They were most known for the coil method of pottery, tempered using crushed granite or quartz temper, usually decorated with cord making. They were proficient in agriculture by adopting seed crops from Mesoamerica, which was obtained by their ancestral trade network. They grew maize, which is corn, beans, squash, sunflower, and also collected nuts, berries, hunted and ate deer, turtles, fish, and shellfish. Nuts and berries, of course. Also used, or their culture was progressively disappearing before the Iroquois invaded the Allegheny Plateau all the way through the Lake Erie region to control new hunting grounds for the lucrative fur trade. Around 1650, a group of Monongahela culture was found resettled in south central Virginia and were absorbed into the Sioux-speaking tribes of the area, but historians are not absolutely sure if, where else they went. And that is all I know about them. Doing more of a stripe. This might still be too light. I was going to do like a symbol. I looked up symbols and that, but I just feel like that's cultural appropriation. And I didn't want to go down that rabbit hole. So, I think I'm going to darken that up a little bit. I'm just tapping into power in the Blue Blood palette. Now I'm going to go back into that cream pie. And I understand that Thanksgiving offends a lot of the Native American culture, and I get it. I get it. Now, my family does um, celebrate Thanksgiving, but we also do recognize and honor Native Americans for the genocide and all the negative things that happened to their people. Um, in other words, we're not uneducated about it. In my family, personally, Thanksgiving is a newer holiday because I'm first generation born here in America on my mom's side of the family, and my dad's side of the family, they were indentured servants and Quakers, so they lived with a lot of prejudice and kind of they were more peaceful. And then being right out of Germany, Thanksgiving was a really new holiday for my grandmother. So she just followed what everybody else was doing and what was on the commercials, to fit in. So, but I understand that. I do. I think the concept of Thanksgiving is a great concept to be grateful and thankful for all that you have. And I think moving forward, you know, without losing the real horrible history of it all, try to come to some kind of peace together as people and move forward. And but the concept of giving thanks and being grateful for all that you have, I think, is a wonderful concept. And that's how we celebrate Thanksgiving. I'm going into fresh meat because I did read the red. Besides, being battle and blood, it also was a hunting color. So I'm going to go in with the red. And this is fresh meat out of the blood sugar. And I'm just bringing that right up, and I will fix that blue. I'm sure Char will have more information and history. I get it, the colonization and all that. I get it, but not everyone was mean and was involved in it was our government. I think most lay people would have wanted to actually have a feast together and honored each other because the natives did help the Europeans survive their first years here. I mean, we do have proof of that. And we also have proof that in some situations, the lower people or common folk tried to get along. As a lot of the Europeans that came here, like on my dad's side of the family, they came here to avoid religious persecution because they were Quakers. All right, so there's that. I hope I'm doing this justice. All right, we're going to go in to cremated. I'm going to add the black on the end. I'm going into hearse. You only need to tap that color, believe me. I'm going right on the end. I'm not trying to overdo. I don't want to blend. I want to keep the colors defined. Okay. All right. So far that's my look. I'm going to pause and uh, do my mascara and eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and I did white eyeliner to represent the white, and yellow, blue, red, and black, and I just put the gloss Jeffree Star. I can't read the name anymore; it's all rubbed off. I got it in a mystery box. So this is my Native American Heritage Month look. I hope I did the look justice, and like I said, tried to keep the colors separate and not blend them, because I know that each distinct color means something, has a meaning to it. And like I said, I would have went over the meanings, but each tribe is different, and I don't want to offend anyone. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and I wish everybody a happy Native American Heritage Month. Please educate yourself. Um, Educate yourself on why, for Native Americans, Thanksgiving is like a national day of mourning for them. Um, show some respect towards that. If and while you celebrate Thanksgiving, honor that, honor the lives lost during that time period, and but also give thanks and be grateful for what everything you have, and be thankful for the food and the family that you have gathering around your table this year. So with that being said, make sure you go watch the other girls. This is the Brewed Beauty collab. It is hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. We also have Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, Pauline from Pandora Muse 57 Nail, and Erica Sue Nail Art. They'll all be listed down below. Like I said, it's Brew Beauty's collab. Thank you for watching. Please go watch the other girls, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.